Hi viewers, welcome to Penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Click Aristocrat fountain pen. And here, each pen comes with a box like this. And here, this is made in India and from Maharashtra. Now I'm taking this out. This is an orange colorful transparent fountain pen. And here, this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on the pen, because just with photos you can't fully understand the pen. So here, see the full aesthetic of this pen. And this pen has a silver trim set and silver 2 rings on the cap, and the brand's name Click was stamped here. And this is a thread type mechanism. You have to unscrew the cap to remove this. And this is number 35 nib with fine flex one, and also with SSF one. For this pairs, you can refer our site. You can swap it in nibs as you like, since we have number 35 nibs in many brands. And in candlelight nibs, we have in fine, medium, broad, and again with gold, dual tone, and silver. And yeah, you can also swap the any nibs as you like. And for that, you can go to our site and click pen spares, then go to nibs, and there you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And yeah, here I'm going to give the measurements. So the grip holding area's diameter is 10.9 mm, and the body is, this is 12.8 mm. And yeah, this grip portion is a bigger one, so this is more suitable for the adults who have bigger fingers. And here, this breadth is taken, this will give you an idea, means this in which holder you can fix this pens and all. The length of this pen without cap is 129.8 mm. And here, with cap, this is a 137.8 mm. These measurements are giving you some ideas in which pouch it will can be hold and all. This is 16 grams. And yeah, the ink filling system here is an eyedropper one, and not only the eyedropper one. With this pen itself, there are two cartridges and one converter is coming, and so you can use any ink filling system, as this is a multi-purpose ink filling system is there. You can fill this whole barrel, or you can use cartridges or converters. And yeah, as this is a transparent body fountain pen, please don't use primary color inks, so that it will create a stain on the wall. And again, pen maintenance. The important thing in maintaining a fountain pen is maintenance. Yeah, please wash the pen regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye-based ink will precipitate on longer usage, and it will block the ink's passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing, and slowly the ink dry quickly, and you can shake the you have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. I think you might experience this. And the reason is the blockage in the feeders grow. So to clean the deposits and dirts, please remove the feeder unit and nib separately by holding and twisting this, and this part will separately come out. And this is a screw type mechanism, and then you can remove from there, and you can soak in the soap water for an hour, or at least you can wash in the running tap water with any brush. Use any brush to clean this feeder. So as this has many small grooves, and in the ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen. So it is clear, unless otherwise we have a good maintenance, the flow will be blocked, or the pen will affected. And again, on maintenance, on all the threads are turned to worn out. So to increase the life of the thread, please apply a silicone grease or Vaseline every time when you open this grip portion for the ink fill. And whenever you fill the ink, please fill below the inner threads of this barrel. If you fill in excess, the leakage path will create it and you will spoil your hands. And again, few nibs need to be fine-tuned, because while in manual assembly of nibs, the tines may stick together, so gently push the tines like this. And here there is a space is creating in between the tines, so this allows the good ink flow, and in turn you will get a smooth writing. And please ensure both tines are in parallel, if not you will get a scratchy writing. And whenever we dispatch the pen to our customer, we do this fine tuning and we'll check out before dispatch. This is our usual practice, and we will ship the pens not in this box, because as this part is a strong one but not this portion, so this may damage the pen. So we will do this in our pen house box, so this will give a very good comfort position to the pens. And we will spread a foam sheet over this, so this will give a very safe space to this pen. And now I'm going to give the writing sample. So for that I'm using our pen house emerald green ink. Yeah. Wow. And I said before, this Aristocal fountain pen were extremely smooth, giving so pleasure writing is here. Very good writing, and the flow was so awesome. And as this is a flex writing nib, this is the width of this nib. Yeah. And if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.